just got done doing the line work on this large jammer on the forearm. I used the Art Noir tattoo towel, and I still have a lot of towel left. I love them.
I've been using the Shadow gloves for right now around like 9 years. Amazing, amazing product. Gloves nowadays, it always seems like, you know, like they all like the black brands are all trying to look cool and that type of stuff, but they tend to have sometimes where it's like there's 100 gloves in a box. It's like at least 10 a rip, and it's like I've never had that problem with Adenna products, especially not Shadow.
I've been using these Adenna Phantom gloves ever since the better part of my career, over 15 years now. I've never run into a problem with sterility, never run into a problem with tearing. I'd use Adenna from here on out.